Students, let's begin. Question number 8, 9, 10 was left. We are going to do these questions today, okay? A picture is painted on a cardboard 8 centimeter long and 5 centimeter wide such that there is a margin of 1.5 centimeter along each of its sides. We have to find the area of the margin. Look at the figure. Suppose this is a rectangular cardboard. Its length and breadth is given 8 centimeter length and 5 centimeter breadth, and there is a margin. Okay, painting is painted in this portion, margin is left around it. So margin width is 1.5 centimeter everywhere. Okay, here everywhere 1.5 centimeter. We have to find out the area of the margin, means this. So what to do to find out the area of the margin? First we will find out the area of full rectangular cardboard. After that we will find out the area of this portion. Okay, then we will subtract this one from full, we will subtract this one, we will get the area of this margin. Okay, so for this what we need to do is, area of cardboard we can easily find out by length into breadth, but area of this portion how you will find out, because its length and breadth we don't know. So we can find out its length and breadth. You see, if this full is 8 centimeter and this margin is 1.5, here also 1.5. 1.5 plus 1.5 will be equal to 3 centimeter. If you will subtract 8 minus 3, we can get the length here to here. 8 minus 3 means 5 centimeter. Similarly, we will find out its breadth. 1.5, 1.5, that is 3. So 5 minus 3 will be equal to this breadth. 5 minus 3 will be equal to 2. So its breadth will be 2 and length will be 5. We can find out area of this portion also. Look at here, length of cardboard is 8 centimeter, breadth of cardboard is 5 centimeter. Length of cardboard after leaving the margin, means after leaving the margin, the length of the cardboard is this. Or you can name the figure also, A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S, length of PQ, you can write it, okay? If you don't want to write this long sentence, you can simply write the name. Now 8 centimeter minus 3 centimeter will be equal to 5 centimeter, and breadth of cardboard along after leaving this margin is 5 minus 3, that is 2. We have taken out this value and this value also. Now area of cardboard, length into breadth, 8 into 5, 40 square centimeter. Area of the picture painted means picture is painted in this portion, no? So that is 5 into 2, that is 10 square centimeter. Now area of margin, this portion. So this minus this, full cardboard minus area of this portion, we will get the area of margin. This minus this. Okay, this is the answer. Now question number 9. A rectangular park has dimension 90 meter by 70 meter. Two paths run parallel to the length of the rectangle and two paths run parallel to the breadth. The two paths along the length are 7 meter wide and the two path which is along the breadth is 5 meter wide. We have to find the area of the path also and also the remaining portion of the park. So look at the figure first. Suppose this is a rectangular park. This two path is running along the length and this two. Okay, and this two path is running along the breadth. So we need to find out the area of the path. So what we will do, area of this path you can simply find out because its length is equal to this length 90 and breadth is given, that is 7 meter width. Okay, so length into this breadth, and similarly this path also same, length into breadth. Similarly we can find out this path area also, length, its length is 70 meter and breadth is 5 meter. 70 into 5 both. Okay, but you can see this portion is coming 2 times. If you are taking out the area of this length, this rectangular part is coming, and if you are taking out the area of this path, this rectangular path is again coming. So this area we need to subtract 1 time. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rectangular, small rectangular cross sectional part we need to subtract. So for this, what we will do, first of all, find out the area of the path along the length, parallel to the length of this rectangular park. So area of the two paths is along the length is equal to 2 into L into because there is two paths, so I have multiplied it with 2. Length and breadth is given. Okay, multiply and get the area. Now area of the two path along the breadth, this two path, 2 into length into breadth, so we will get 700 square meter. Now we need to subtract this 4 one time. So area of one rectangular portion is the area of the path in the crossing of two path is equal to 4 into its length is what? 7 in length and breadth, 7 or into 5. Okay, or 5 into 7. Here 7 meter into 5 meter. 4 you will multiply because there is 4 portion like this 4 times. Okay, we will get this area. Now total area of the path will be equal to this plus this minus this. Got it? Now we have to find out the area of the remaining portion. Remaining portion means first we will find out the area of the full park minus area of this path. We will get this remaining, this white part you can see, these are the remaining portion. Not this, this is again path. This remaining portion you have to find out. So what we will do, area of the rectangular park first find out, length into breadth, that is 90 meter into 70 meter will be equal to this, and area of remaining portion will be equal to this minus this path area we have just taken out. Subtract this 2, we will get the remaining portion. Got it? Question number 10. The dimension of a rectangular plot are 35 meter by 20 meter. A path of uniform width 2 meter is built along the border, and inside it means inside the rectangular plot there is a uniform width border. Okay, path. So find the cost of paving the path with bricks at rupees 25 per square meter. Means first we will find out the area of the path and we will multiply with this cost. Okay, and also cost of covering the remaining part of the plot with grass, rupees 19 per square meter. Means remaining part area we will find out and multiply with this 19. So look at the figure. Suppose this one, we will name it ABCD is a rectangular park, and this path, this is the path which is inside it. Its length and breadth is given 35, but path is 2 meter wide. So if you want to find this length inside one, we can find just like that. 35 minus 2 plus 2, 4. 35 minus 4 will be equal to 31. And this is 20. So 2 plus 2, 4. 20 minus 4 will be equal to 16 meter. Then we will find out area of full minus area of this part. We will get the area of this path. Area of plot first find out. Length into breadth, that is 35 into 20, 700 square meter. Now length PQ means this one or this one. I have just done 35 minus 4, that is equal to 31, and breadth PS 20 minus 4, that is 16. Now area of PQR, this inside one, length into breadth, that is also rectangular. So 31 into 16, that is 496. Now area of the path will be equal to full minus this portion, we will get this path. This minus this. Okay. Now we have to find out the cost also. If we got this path, we will multiply it with rupees 25 because per square meter is 25. 25 into this, we will get this 1500 rupees. And area of remaining part, if it is covered with grass, remaining part is this only, no? Its area we have got, that is 496. Okay, we will multiply this area with rupees 19 because its cost is rupees 19 per square meter. So we will multiply this, we will get the cost of covering remaining part with grass, this one. Okay, I hope it is clear. Next day we will start the new exercise. We will 21.2 we will discuss triangle parallelogram. Okay, till then complete your work properly.